Hey, it's Aaron here, and in this video today, let me show you how you can spin not just one, but multiple articles at once using Spin Rewriter. So we're now right here in your control panel, inside your home, so to speak. So you could either rewrite a single article, or today what we're interested in is rewriting multiple articles. So let's pick this option. Now, Spin Rewriter lets you enter a couple of articles in a couple of different ways. You could either enter one of your articles here, and then click the Add Another Article button to enter another article here, and then click this again and enter another article here. So that's one way of entering multiple articles. You could also upload a zip file that contains up to 10 different articles as text files, and you could just click here and then upload a zip file. But what we're going to do today for this test, for this demo, is upload individual text files. So we're going to upload text files that contain our articles. So for article number 1, we're going to select this article on how to play bass guitar. For article number 2, we're going to select this article, preparing for your first guitar lesson. And for article number 3, you might be picking up on a theme here, shopping for acoustic guitars. So now we've selected 3 articles and we've left the remaining options, up to 10 articles, unchosen. So at this point, we can go into settings and tell Spin Rewriter to do some additional work. We could automatically rewrite sentences inside our articles, automatically rewrite entire paragraphs, have Spin Rewriter automatically write new paragraphs, and even provide a summary of an article at the end for each individual article. And the most advanced option, we could have Spin Rewriter automatically change the structure of phrases and sentences, which means it turns sentences around, like it turns around the order of like causes and consequences and stuff like that. So we're not going to do any of this right now, or we could go into words and phrases here and tell Spin Rewriter to make articles as unique as possible by using synonyms that might not be the highest quality, or we could tell Spin Rewriter to make the unique articles as readable as possible, so it should only use the synonyms that are absolutely correct. We're gonna keep using the recommended setting and go OK. So we've got our 3 articles chosen, and we can now rewrite multiple articles. Let's click this. So right now, as you can see, Spin Rewriter is now uploading and processing these 3 articles that we've entered. And the processing time might depend on the number of articles that you've entered and the length of those articles. So if you've got 10 articles that are 3,000 words each, it's gonna take a little while because that is a lot of processing for Spin Rewriter to do. And if you're entered like 2 articles with 200 words each because you're just spinning some shorter descriptions of maybe some Amazon items or stuff like that, then it's gonna be done pretty quickly. So in our case, we've uploaded 3 articles with about 600 words each, I believe. So yeah, it took just long enough for me to tell you this. So now we see the success message. Success, your articles have been successfully rewritten, and you will find them right here in your archive. So here we are in the archive, and as you can see right at the top, we've got 3 articles that were completed just now that are uncategorized, and these are our articles. Now we'll go into this a little bit later in a different tutorial video that's all about the archive, but let me show you just how easy it is to now we can select all 3 of these articles, and we can just assign them a category such as guitar history, update, and these are now all shown in the guitar history category. Now we could also download these articles now that we're done, or we could delete them, and here we are. This brings to a conclusion our quick tutorial video about spinning multiple articles at once, or this is also called bulk spinning. So I hope you liked it and have a great day.